Sazal has been performing maintenance, repair and overhaul operations for Rolls-Royce aircraft engines for 23 years. Today we manage 20 to 25% of that global market, but how can we continue to stay ahead in this increasingly competitive environment? The main challenge is always about boosting productivity and efficiency on a larger scale, to transform and to digitalise our processes. And for us that means investing in both our technology and our people.
We're always adopting new and even cutting-edge technologies to keep our operations efficient and future-proof. With every new product, work gets even more complex. To stay ahead of the game, we continuously evolve and innovate how things are done. Currently, we're rolling out the Manufacturing Execution System, which will unify all of our production operations. This system ensures that every team speaks the same language across different projects, enabling seamless integration.
Our talented team has been essential in making all of these advancements possible. We're continuously expanding our teams, creating new engineering roles such as Aisha's, in line with our growing capabilities in technology. We're also part of a close-knit ecosystem that helps us thrive. With strong support from EDB, JTC, and close collaboration with the ARTC, we're able to transform our processes and upskill our people, adopting new technologies to ensure better productivity and safety. This partnership is key to staying competitive and future-ready. Sazal has seen tremendous growth over the years and will continue to rise by embracing these new technologies and expanding our repair capabilities. By staying ahead of change and making smart, forward-thinking investments, we're positioning ourselves as a key player in the aerospace industry. This vision will drive us for decades to come.